semuanya, kembali bersama kami di channel YouTube SMK Werdhi Sila Kumara. Perkenalkan, nama saya Iwayan Saryana. Saya di sini selaku Kepala Program Kalian Perhotelan SMK Werdhi Sila Kumara. Untuk kali ini, kami akan memberikan informasi ataupun berupa media pembelajaran terkait dengan front office, housekeeping, laundry, F&B, baik itu MB service maupun F&B product. Yang pertama tentunya kami akan memberikan media pembelajaran terkait dengan menghadapi new normal, terutama di bidang kompetensi keahlian yaitu front office, terkait dengan reception dan bellboy. Bagaimana videonya? Mari kita saksikan.
Good morning. Welcome to Jurusan SMK Werdhi. Just a moment, please. When you're happy, sir.
Thank you.
Welcome. Excuse me, sir. You come for check-in?
Yes, please.
Do you have any luggage in the car, sir?
Yes, please.
Just a moment, please. I will take your bag. Excuse me, sir. Please double check your bag. Your bag just two.
Yes, please.
Yes. Please follow me to the reception. Excuse me, sir. Please check your temperature. I would like to cleaning the trolley before I taking and I put your luggage. Yeah?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Welcome to Jurusan SMK. Please come to reception for your registration.
Yes, thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
Good morning. Welcome to Jurusan SMK. May I assist you?
Yes, good morning. I would like to check in, please.
Please use this hand sanitizer, sir.
Thank you. Give me your hand, please. Okay. Thank you.
Do you have reservation before, sir?
Yes, we have reservation.
May I know your name, please?
My name is Charles.
Could you spell your name, please, sir?
Yes, C A
A
R
R
L
L
E S.
E S. Thank you. May I borrow your passport and click here or like to go?
Okay, thank you. Yeah.
Thank you. Please take your passport, Mr. Carlos.
Thank you. I will.
May I know your confirmation letter?
Yes, of course.
Thank you. Mr. Carlos, you reserved one single room for 3 nights, that's right?
That's right.
Excuse me, Mr. Carlos. Please use this registration. And this is your pen.
Thank you. I'm finished.
Thank you. Have you finished? Thank you so much. All I take care for you.
Thank you.
Excuse me, Mr. Carlos. Your room bill already, so if you have extra bill, you could pay when checking out.
I will.
This is your room pay. Just card and book later.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Do you have any questions, Mr. Carlos?
No, thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Carlos. I will inform you about checkout time is 12 noon and safe deposit box in the room. So please contact us, our reception number 110 if you need some information.
Okay, I will.
Thank you. Wait a moment please. I will call bellboy to escort you to your room.
Anything.
Good morning. Bell Captain, Yoga speaking. May I assist you?
Tata speaking. Please come to the lobby.
Yes. Wait a moment, please.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks for waiting, Mr. Carlos. He is Ogi, our bellboy. Going to escort you to the room.
Excuse me, sir. May I have your name?
Yes, here.
Thank you.
Excuse me, Mr. Carlos. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy staying in our hotel and have a nice holiday.
Thank you very much.
Sir, your room is over there and please follow me. Excuse me, sir. Now I would like to explain you about our hotel facilities. But first, I would like to tell you about our restaurant. We have 2 restaurants, and this is the first restaurant. Our restaurant open especially for breakfast, open from 7 a.m. until 10 a.m. And then our restaurant open with 24 hours for your service.
Thank you.
And then behind the restaurant, we have 2 big swimming pool and we have 2 pool bar. And then beside that, we have the one spa treatment.
Spa treatment.
Yes.
Good.
And then this is our laundry. Our laundry open from 9 a.m. until the 9 p.m. And then especially for you, we have a 24-hour service for you free Wi-Fi. Excuse me, sir. Just a moment, please. I will check your bag before you come into the room.
Thank you, I will.
You're welcome. Follow me, please, to your room. Excuse me, sir. Could you wear upstairs, please?
Thank you, I will.
Welcome. me, sir. Before you come in, I would like to clean your bell and then check your room.
Yes, please.
Thank you. Good morning. Bellboy, please. Bellboy, please. Bellboy, please. Excuse me, sir. May I have your room key, please?
Yes, here.
Thank you. Excuse me, sir. Your room is ready and come in, please.
Yes, thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir. Excuse me, sir. Now I would like to explain you about our room facilities.
Yes.
And first, I would like to explain about our telephone. You can use the telephone for identity call and local call. Sir, this is for remote to air conditioners. And this one, the remote for your television. And this one is the coffee pot and saucer. And under this, you can look the minibar. And then you can open this. This is the coffee table with the rice filling view and then the wing. And this is the safety box, yeah. And then you can turn right to the bathroom. This is your bathroom, and in the master hall you can look the amenities. And then the first towel, hand towel, and then bath towel, and the last is the bedman. And then you can look the bathtub with the shower for cool and hot water. Just about everything our room facilities.
Okay.
If you need some information, you can call me in the 104. And especially for you, we have a 24-hour service for your room service. Yeah?
Alright. Thank you very much for your information.
Yes, you are welcome, sir. Have a nice day and enjoy stay with us. Yeah?
I will.
Bye.
Bye.
Good morning, sir. May I assist you?
Good morning. I would like to checking out, please.
Yes, sir. Please use hand sanitizer, please.
Oh yes, thank you. Give me a hand, please. Yes.
I will check your number room.
Yes. This is my room key.
Thank you. Please wait a minute. I will check your bill. Excuse me, sir. Thank you for waiting. Your bill has paid and no extra bill. Please wait a minute. I will give you original bill. Excuse me, sir. Thank you for waiting. This is your in-house bill. I hope you come again to our hotel as soon as possible. Thank you and see you next time.
Goodbye.